Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back. It's Travis here with JT Wealth. In today's video, we're going to talk all about Tesla and the price jump that you've seen in the Tesla stock since this weekend. And it's really all just because Elon Musk likes to say things. So let's get into it. All right, welcome back everybody. Thanks so much for joining us. Tesla right now trading over $751, up about 2.5% on the day. And it was up higher as we started the day, but has settled down a little bit. I'm going to tell you guys exactly why that is here in a second, but if you don't mind, take 2 seconds, smash that like button for me, and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, so this time it wasn't necessarily a tweet, but Elon Musk was actually talking to his employees when he made a specific comment in regards to an analyst who made a really bullish price target on Tesla a while back now, probably in March. And when he made this comment, it really got a lot of attention. And here you can see in a Benzinga article that ARK Invest Tesla's stock price target may be outrageous, but Elon Musk says it is worth $3,000 a share if they execute really well. So Tesla CEO Elon Musk has told his employees that he agrees with Cathie Wood, who obviously runs ARK Innovation, that the Tesla is worth $3,000 a share if they execute really well. And now basically what happened was a while back, Cathie Wood did an interview that her base case on Tesla was $3,000 a share, meaning, not her bull case, not her bearish case, just her average case for the Tesla stock. And basically what she says is that our estimate for Tesla's success has gone up. The main reason for that is their market share. So instead of going down from year end 2017 to today, it has actually gone up fairly dramatically. So the way Cathie sees it, Tesla's ability to maintain and increase its market share in a world that is increasingly growing interested in EVs is something to be on the lookout for. So GM, Ford, large corporations are pushing out into the EV world, as well as all of these big, smaller startup EVs that are coming in through SPACs and the like. Yet Tesla remains at the top of the leaderboard, and that's something that wasn't always expected. So watching them maintain their market share definitely gives them an edge going forward as they continue to increase capacity. Somehow they've managed to keep their deliveries at all-time highs. Their revenues are up across the board, and even with a massive chip shortage, they've been able to outperform their last quarter numbers. Now, a lot of people would say that the price tag coming out of Cathie Wood's is a bit outrageous, but since they're currently trading at about, $751 now, and it would have to go up just about 300% to reach the price target Cathie Wood's is talking about. But ARK believes that Tesla is going to deliver between 5 and 10 million vehicles as soon as 2025. It also says Tesla will deliver a completely autonomous ride-hailing network known as the Tesla Network that is going to bring in a lot of money with a really high margin. And in an email to Tesla employees that was obtained by Electric, that's when Musk highlighted his new $3,000 price target in accompanying Cathie Wood's previous price target and just kind of concurring with her. He agreed that if they execute really well, I agree with ARK Invest, according to Musk. So obviously that $3,000 share price would put Tesla's valuation at $3 trillion. That, of course, would make Tesla the most valuable company in the world. Now, in the intro to today's video, I mentioned that Elon Musk has a tendency to say things, and when he does, it can affect a lot of things, and not just the price of Tesla, but the price of other things as well. Here's an example. So here's one of Elon's tweets that came out a while back, and it basically just said, hey, Tesla stock price is a little too high in my opinion. That, of course, got a lot of people worried, caused the stock price to go down a little bit. There was even a lawsuit from a Tesla investor who sued Elon Musk and the company's board, saying that the CEO's erratic tweets violate a settlement with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. And his comment did result in more than $13 billion in loss to Tesla's market value. So when Mr. Musk says things, people tend to be very attentive, and you can see, like today, the stock price is being affected by what I really can't see any other reason. That looks like the only thing that happened over this Labor Day weekend that could have affected the stock price the way it has. And I did see some recent articles earlier this morning of people just trying to figure out another reason for it, and I haven't been able to find one. But let's take a look at Cathie Wood and ARK Invest's $3,000 price target for Tesla and why they think that is so realistic and when they think that could happen. So in this article, it says Cathie Wood, ARK funds lay out their new $3,000 price target for the Tesla shares and what investors need to know. This, of course, coming back in March when the initial claim was made. So we'll talk about the 3,000 and the bullish bearish case that ARK tended to make back in March. So last year, ARK funds listed their split adjusted price target on Tesla shares of $1,400 by the year 2024. And ARK uses their Monte Carlo method, which is a series of simulations to determine the probability of different outcomes with random variables that they input, okay? And the total 34 inputs they utilize and over 40,000 possible simulations were used to create the new price target. And that bear case from ARK Funds has the shares of Tesla hitting about $1,500 by 2025. That, of course, is about doubling the price we're looking at today. Yes, it does happen in about 3 years, but nonetheless, you're looking at doubling your profit here, right? So that is fantastic, and that's their bear case. Now, the bull case from ARK Funds is for Tesla shares to hit $4,000 in 2025. So if you're a long-term investor like I am and you hold Tesla like I do, you're looking at $1,500 as the bear case for a Tesla stock price in a 3-year time frame. I am definitely willing to hold on to a $750 stock today to make double my money in a 3-year time frame. If you're looking at S&P 500 returns, that's on average 10%. So to be able to just 100x your money and make twice the money you've had in 3 years, I'm on board with that. I'll wait. Now that's just the bear case. $3,000 is the price target on the average, and $4,000 is their bull case scenario, and that would absolutely be fantastic. Of course, a lot of the autonomous ride hailing would have to actually come to fruition before that target could ever be met, but nonetheless, that is a possibility and one I'm going to be watching out for very closely. Now, I will say that the only negative I've been able to see, and it's obviously not affecting the share price, is that Tesla did in fact delay the delivery of the Cybertruck out to late 2022. And on their investors call as of late, the EV King, Tesla's Elon Musk, clarified that the Cybertruck production will commence at the Gigafactory in Texas after the Model Y manufacturing, which is set to initiate at the same time, the same site by this year's end. So it's another reason behind the Cybertruck's launch postponement. And he confirmed that due to the new and innovative technology required in that truck, the company does not expect a production ramp up and actually anticipates volume recognition from the same as late as the end of 2023. But to avoid investor disappointment, Musk did take the opportunity to create a positive buzz about the upcoming Cybertruck, and this is where it gets good. He says it will be a special project like a glitch in the Matrix, like if Neo had a car. So again, Elon Musk saying things that will probably get people's attention. The $3,000 price target, that is going to get people's attention. The Neo vehicle, like the Matrix, that's going to get some people's attention. We'll see what happens, but I'm definitely excited to watch as the price of Tesla continues to grow up, even in what is a very red day in the market today. Bitcoin got crushed by 10%. So Elon, if you're listening, put a tweet out about Bitcoin. Let's get that back up. All right, guys, thanks so much for checking out today's video. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Let me know what your thoughts on a $3,000 price target for Tesla is. Do you hold Tesla shares? Do you plan on buying knowing what the price could be in the next coming year or so? Anyway, guys, thanks so much for checking out today's video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, bottoms up.